Fill it in. Have you close your eyes for now, okay? Okay, so lifting it. I still see a little here. And this is just me going very technical. And of course, at home, you may not be requiring to do that. Have you close your eyes? And I'm gonna have you pretend with your eyes closed, you're looking down at the floor. So what this does is the orbital of the eyes is not moving and it's sort of lowered. And again, from a technical aspect for makeup artists out there, this is a really great technique because it just creates a flatter surface for you to glide your liner. Okay, I'll have you open. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, it's usually on the outside of the lash line. If you wonder, do I go in the waterline? I wouldn't suggest it for the liquid liner because it is liquid, but the pencil we can, and I'll talk about it more later. So have her look up, and again, I can go from out, I can go from the inside, but I feel like this one, it's a bit more natural glide. Okay, so now before it gets all dry, I like to soften the line. So if you wonder why having a liquid liner on the bottom lash line is important for the entire look, what it does is it actually fills in gaps and it will create an illusion of fuller lashes on the bottom. And also, if you ever hear the term sultry looking eyes, this is the technique because it really does create a very mysterious but very sultry looking makeup look.